Now, students, we are going to discuss a very important topic, that is 3 to 8 decoder. Before that, I want you all to understand what is decoder. Decoder is a combinational circuit that has n input lines and maximum of 2 to the power n output lines. And you can see here when I say 3 to 8 decoder, so 3 is actually the number of inputs it is having, and number of outputs are 8 in the 3 to 8 decoder. And you can compare it here when the value of n is 3, so the output lines are 2 to the power n, 2 to the power 3 it is going to be, because number of input lines in the 3 to 8 decoder are 3, so 2 to the power 3 equal to 8. So here you can see when the input lines are 3, or and then the output is going to be 8, which is 2 to the power 3. I hope it's clear to you. One of these outputs will be active or high uh, based on the combination of the inputs present when the decoder is enabled. Alright, that means decoder detects a particular code. The output of the decoder are nothing but the min term of n input variables lines when it is enabled. So what actually you need to understand is, out of these 8 outputs, only one will be active or high at a time. Always take care of that. Now, students, a 3 to 8 decoder has 3 inputs A, B, C in our circuit and 8 outputs from D0 to D7. Based on these inputs, one of the 8 outputs is selected. Alright, that's what I just told you. From the truth table, it is seen that only one of the 8 outputs D0 to D7 is selected based on the 3 on 3 select inputs. So for that, you can see the truth table here. 3 inputs A, B, C and 8 outputs from D0 to D7. Like D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6 and D7. And depending upon the input combination, only one output output line is active or high at a time. So here when the input combination is 0 0 0, so D0 is having the value high or 1. When the input combination is 0 0 1, then you can see that D1 is having the value 1 or high. Why? Because 0 0 0 represents 0, 0 0 1 represents 1, 0 1 0 represents 2, 0 1 1 represents 3. So you can see other combinations as well. Here you can see the last one where the input combination is 1 1 1, means A is 1, B is 1 and C is 1. So here this combination 1 1 1 represents the number 7. So here D7 is having the value 1 high or true. Same concept is applicable to all the other input combinations. You can just see. Okay. But remember, only one output line is active at a time. That's I wanted you to understand. Now I'm getting back to the detail again. It is written here, the outputs of the decoder are nothing but the min terms of n input variable lines, alright, when it is enabled. So what is min term? Min term is a logical product of the given input variables. So input variables are A, B, C. Second thing, the complement of these variable is done when the variable has the value 0. So here you can see A, B, C is having, all the three are having value 0, means 0, 0, 0. So for this min term is going to be A complement dot B complement dot C complement. Similarly, when it is 1 0 0, so in this case 0 will be complemented, zeros are going to be complemented. So A is not 0, it is 1. So A, B complement, C complement. Similarly, for the last row, it is 1 1 1. So here it was A, B, C, because no 0 is present, so no complement is there. And this you can understand here better. D0 is here, so 0 is A complement, B complement, C complement. D1 is A complement, B complement, C. D2 is A complement, B, C dash or C complement. Similarly for D6 you can see A, B, C complement. For D7 it is A, B, C, which I have just talked about. So using the above expression, the circuit of a 3 to 8 decoder can be implemented using the 3 NOT gates and 8 3 input AND gates. So what do we need? Here you can have the basic understanding of the decoder, 3 to 8 decoder. Here you can see 3 input lines A, B, C and their complement through a NOT gate. So if A is representing the 0, so this NOT gate's output is representing A complement or 0. Similarly, if B is representing 1, then it's this NOT gate, when it passes through the NOT gate, the output will be B complement. Similarly, C is 1, so this is 0, this line, okay. Because for producing different input combination, we need 1 and 0 both, okay. So I'm getting back to the detail again. The 3 inverters I've just shown you, these inverters means NOT gates, provide the complement of the inputs, and each of the 8 AND gates generate one of the min terms. Alright. This decoder can be used for decoding any 3-bit code to provide 8 outputs corresponding to 8 different combinations of the input code. This is also called 1 of 8 decoder, since only one of the 8 output lines is high for a particular input combination. So what do you need to remember? Basically the input and the output. So first we talk about these inputs. I have already shown that A, B, C, and so these are 1 representing 1 means A, B, C, and these are their complement, that means it is representing the zeros of the inputs. Now after input we talk about the output. So these 3 are the inputs, and A, B, C, or you can say A complement, B complement and C complement, and here are the output lines which are there in the we get through the AND gates. So 8 AND gates are there from 0 to 7, and these are the output D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7. Alright, now we have to establish the connection. So here students, you can see when the first input combination is 0 0 0, so I made 3 connections from A complement, B complement and C complement. When I wanted 0 0 1, so here it is connected with A complement, B complement and with C, and you can see other combinations as well. We talk about this D2, so it is what is there, 0 1 0, so here it is A complement, then B and then C complement. Then I talk about D3, so it is A complement, B, C, okay, because this is basically 0 1 1. Similarly for 4, we have here input combination 1 0 0, so it is A, B complement, C complement. For 5 it is 1 0 1, so it is A, B complement and C. And then for 6 it is 1 1 0, so it is A, B, C complement. And then for 7 it is A, B and C. 3 connections have been drawn. So I hope everybody has got a very clear understanding of 3 to 8 decoder. Thanks everyone.